finally, you need to worry about your own personal appearance. How formal do you want to be? I'm dressed in a suit, and I think that we dress in a suit when we go to court, not so much to show off that we can afford a suit. I think that we wear suits and our informal attire to show respect to the court, to show respect to the judge, to show respect to the jury, to show respect to the witnesses and parties and opposing counsel. And that's why we wear a suit. And so I think that it is not so much my comfort that is important. It is what message am I conveying by what I'm wearing. And you can have different levels of formality and it conveys different messages. And there's no right answer. It is what message do you want to convey? You are going to convey a message. The only question is what message are you going to communicate? And is that the message that you want to communicate is really the only issue. Even if you decide that it's informal, there are various forms of informality and you have to be conscious of that. Your posture is important too. You're conveying a message by your posture and your engagement and how close you are to the screen and how far away and how disengaged you are. All of this is important when you're online. And finally, if you don't put up your video image, if you just put up a picture instead of your video image, or if you just put a couple of initials of who you are without your full name, again, I think that being distracted and looking at another screen or paying attention to obviously something else, all of it conveys a message, conveys a message of how engaged you are in the meeting, how interested you are in the meeting. And so I think that you need to be just conscious that these are all messages that you're sending, regardless of whether you intend to or not. These messages are being sent.